especially for frogs, actually next to the eggs of the very wet place, that eggs constantly. Looks like a couple of eyes, but they are not. The eyes actually are just right here. Those are their eyes. So, this one, they just click. You try to flip over. That's why you can hear. But it's interesting because let me try to show you. See? Oops. Jumping beans. But yeah, when this insect is flying, it's gonna produce a bright light, but here on the belly. Because they have two different kind of wings. The hard ones, we call elytros, and right underneath they have a membranous. Called side-stripe palm speed viper. Side-stripe because they have a yellow line on the side. Palm because they are arboreals. Speed viper because the baby is not protected from the other eggs. It's in a position to attack. That's why I have that position of S. And maybe a little mouse passed through there days ago and gives it on a straight. And that is snake is waiting until that little mouse passed through here. Tarántula australiana. Digamos sí, pero no mortal. That's painful again, but not deadly. Okay. Actually,
how close can we get for a picture?
The thing is, if we go inside, I mean, if we go closer, they feel our step and they just go back in.
Porque le dicen María Seca.
Le dicen María Seca o Juan Palo. Is most of them only once. We have only about 75 different species of mushrooms that we can eat. But in Costa Rica it's not common to eat mushrooms. It's more common that people go in the forest looking for magic mushrooms to get high. Yeah, actually the little bit white or white on the top, that's the head, the face. It's hanging. Now move the head to the left.
It's 1,000 today.
Crushing his balls. Scientific people discovered that there could be about 200 different species of insects living on this mountain.